Welcome, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the episode 6 of our December Masterclass. And I'm going to share with you guys some charts. Yeah, welcome, bro. How are you doing? Can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up now, brother?
I'm all right, bro. How are you doing?
I'm okay. It's like I'm the only one with you on this Zoom.
You said?
I said it's like I'm the only one currently online with you.
Yeah, definitely. I think I just start, but it's still all right. We can do it.
Okay, that's actually good. You know, the reason why I clicked this link first of all is because your kind of trading style is almost the same thing with my way of trading.
Wow.
Because I recently started, like about a month ago, I recently started using supply and demand.
Wow.
And if I've been commenting on your chat. Mostly our chats always.
Yeah, definitely. I'm
accurate.
seeing you. I'm
Yeah.
seeing you. Definitely. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing,
So
bro.
that's
That's
why
amazing.
I'm like,
That's
this guy
amazing.
is
All
doing
right.
the same.
I think I'm going to share with you some charts. I think 6 or 7 pairs or more. All right. So we are going to begin with the AUD USD. Though trade it has been for a very long time,
Yeah, sure.
As you can see, like this is when we got the trade, like this is when we got the signal. This is one of my minor level, as you can see around here. So immediately when the market come and break above my minor level, did not come back for retracement. It come all the way to here. So that's why I draw this line, this black line that you can see around here. So
I wanted to jump on this trade when I see this impulse move.
Wow.
I wanted to jump on this trade when I see this impulse move return, and I know that it's going to return back to this demand zone. But I was holding a massive trade with big loss size on GBPCD. That's why I kind of missed this trade.
Exactly. You can't do that. You can't do
all
that.
this pro firm, you can't really take a lot of trade and all this pro firm at the same time. Even yesterday funded my funded FS kind of did me dating.
Wow.
I've been using fundedness for a very long time, and I never had issue with them. But fundedness doesn't trade cryptos. They don't trade Bitcoin or anything.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
they don't do that.
Yeah, so I now got my funded FS because of the crypto. So I said I don't really trust this profile. Let me just get their 5K account
To be honest,
and
to be
see
honest,
how they're, yeah.
like
And,
me, since my forex funds run away, like I have stopped with prop firms. I said let me wait and see the release capital launch and then how it's going to be. So for me, to be honest, I'm just trying to build my own capital, my own real cash, and then waiting for release capital and see. Yeah, definitely. So
yeah,
um
we are all
uh,
waiting for Willis Capital, but as a trader, you can't just be
yeah,
looking at the chart every day waiting for one person.
e-
Willis
e-
Capital, this is over
exactly. But
this
can I
over
tell you
3 4
something?
months.
Can I tell you
Yeah,
something?
sure,
Like
sure.
how I trade, how I take it, like to be honest, I used to trade demo, real account, and I take it the
Yeah,
same thing. I used
yeah,
to see chart, I used to watch chart, trade, give out trade to people, and then I will not place this trade, or maybe I don't have capital that time, or something like this. But I will keep on doing it. I will keep on doing it, and then it will keep on going. I will keep on giving people, and I will not do it, and I take it very, very okay for me. And when I'm trading real funds with demo, I don't know, to be honest, like for me, I take it the same thing. Like I just take it as the same thing. I'm just looking for this win, to be honest. But
you
it's
know,
not
you
everyone that
know,
can do this. It's
yeah,
hard.
I don't. For me, I don't really believe on all these shits that they normally say.
Hmm.
Demo is different with life account. That thing is bullshit.
Definitely.
Once your strategy works, it works.
Yes,
You
exactly.
get me? Once your strategy works, it works. So even me myself, I'm beginning to like start to build a life account, because
Yeah.
normally I use sometime earlier this year, since I've been trading now for 4 years plus,
Wow.
and since I've been trading, I've been trading my own personal capital for
Yeah,
a
yeah.
very long time.
Wow.
But something happened somewhere around May. I
Wow.
mean May or March this year. I got arrested by EFCC. So
Wow.
since
Wow.
since
Sorry
then,
for
when
that.
I got back, I was very sick and stuff like that. So
Wow.
I went through some tragedy and
Sorry for
stuff
that.
like that.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
after all
It's
that,
all
I
a
kind of,
process. It's all a
yeah,
process. It's all a process.
yeah,
You have to take
yeah,
it, definitely. And then you're going to get
yes.
there very soon.
My bro, I still thank God that I'm alive. That's the
Sure.
most important thing.
Sure, bro. All
Yeah.
right.
So since
Um,
then,
let's
I
talk about
started
the
trading.
chat. Let's talk about the
Okay,
chat.
sure.
Yeah,
So so so
we have
what
to
chart
look.
are you currently working on now? Is it AUD?
Sorry, come again.
I said, what chart are you currently working on? Like you are looking for opportunities on?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you after this. We are going to share, I think, 5 or 6 pairs, and then I have the one that I'm looking for opportunity. I think GBP, JPY, but I see the market is coming back again. Like it's just consolidating. So no opportunity up to now, but we can try and look for more charts because I just come to the DEX right now. All right.
Oh,
So
oh,
as you can
cool.
see,
One thing with
the AUD
one
USD.
thing with me is that I don't really trade so much pairs like that.
Yeah.
Like
Wow.
more the pairs that I really focused on is USD pairs and GBPCD.
Wow.
I
Wow.
don't. Yeah, I
Yeah.
only trade, apart from USD pairs. My only minor pairs I trade is GBP AUD,
Wow.
GBP CD, and GBP JPY.
Yeah, I
Then
understand.
apart from that, I don't trade any other minor pair.
I
Then I
understand.
trade good and NAS. I
No,
don't.
I
I mean
understand.
good and NAS 100. Yes, I don't trade US 30.
Wow. Wow.
One of the major reason I discussed to cut some pairs off like that is
Mm. So, the top-down analysis is a strategy that you can trade whatever instrument in the market, but you
make
have to
money,
focus
because
on some.
all those profile we don't. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, you
yeah,
have to
like
focus on some. You have to focus on.
yeah,
Well,
yeah.
anyway,
It's
Sha,
very
let's
important.
go. Let's go into the chat. Like I kind of like this. We'll keep in touch. Maybe I will have to get your maybe WhatsApp number because I'm thinking of deleting my Telegram.
All right, no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
You can
So,
send me a DM private, then I will add you up, bro.
sure. Because
Amazing,
that
amazing.
Telegram is very stupid. Like most
Yeah,
traders, they are beginner traders. They don't even have clue. Like they don't even know about the market at all.
at
They are
all,
just
bro.
there jumping
At all.
around. And when you post your chat, I know I can always see sometimes when you post your chat, they will be like, you just getting too early. I always see
Mm,
people commenting on your
yeah,
chat on that. Yeah.
all these energies, but I don't mind. I just do
Yes,
what
I
I
always see
see.
it and I laugh. I'll be like, bro, you people should calm down. This bro knows what he's doing. Like he's using support supply and demand. Like, but one thing
Yeah,
people doesn't understand is that supply and demand is so underrated, bro.
definitely.
Like when I was just using this that way of trading with the former mentor that taught me,
Yeah.
Rosie and some people were disencouraged me and that I shouldn't be using the previous strategy that I was using, the mentor that taught me, that I should just
Oh,
focus on that focus. And when I
wow.
focused only on that focus, bro, I
Yeah,
become profitably less. Like
definitely, bro. Definitely.
I
That's the
did
same
not
thing
make
with me.
I
That's the same
yes,
thing happened.
I did not make fucking profit. But as soon as I got back to joining everything I learned together and started following this guy, I don't know if you know about this guy, Moneyball Hosting.
Wow. No, 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 no.
Yeah, the guy.
There is a lot of them. There is a lot of them in the social media. So if you do not focus on someone, you won't know him. So
Yes.
that
So
yeah,
when I
that's
started
why.
using, like I said, I just started using the supply and demand about a month now. And like one thing I can tell you is that supply and demand is so underrated. Like that
Yeah.
shit works perfectly.
Definitely, bro. Definitely.
It
And it's
works
this
perfectly,
simple.
bro.
This is something that is very, very simple and straightforward in the market. This is what will
I
guide you.
swear,
If you
like,
just
like,
focus and dedicate yourself.
do you know one thing? Do you know one thing? Like, I love about this supply and demand thing now. Just
Yeah,
like this AUD chart we are currently looking at now.
yeah,
If you look at this chart now, you will see where the impulse move happened, where the
yeah,
banks push this market up
exactly.
in these big massive candles.
Yeah,
So so yeah, so
exactly.
that's yes, that area. So that's kind of your demand at the bottom. So
Yeah.
normally now, if the
Mm,
market gets back to here, I wouldn't be
mm,
expecting it to break it immediately. Like I know that this is a very strong demand zone. Like the
mm,
impulse move here,
mm,
the impulse move here is very big. Like
mm,
like the bank push the markets here. So
mm,
when the market return back here, I'll be looking
mm,
for
mm.
buying opportunity,
Buying
not selling
opportunity.
opportunity.
Exactly.
Yes.
They have been saying AUD is in downtrend. AUD is in downtrend. I'm doing
It's
rubbish
not in
since
downtrend. Like
2013.
there is
Someone is saying AUD is in downtrend since 2013. I say, what the fuck this guy is saying? So he's in downtrend. Is just the market
man,
going down
all
like
those people
this?
are saying rubbish. And to be honest, you are the first person I'm going to tell this. That
Wow.
boy is misleading a lot of traders, but they don't really know.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I just hope that this is problem of a thing that is been hyping and all this thing that it
Definitely.
turns out to be much better than every other problem. Like
Exactly.
that brother, like I have one friend that's living in Dubai. He
Mm,
was telling me one certain time that could I believe that but they trades.
mm. Wow.
I'll be like, what are you saying? This nigga doesn't day trade. Like this nigga
Wow.
I've been studying this course for over a year plus now.
Yeah.
This nigga doesn't.
Yeah.
He was like, bro, I'm telling you something. I meet this nigga in Dubai like to learn and one on one. I
Wow.
noticed that this nigga day trades like, but if he comes to the group and all this thing, he will only be telling you swing trade. Like I
Yeah.
have some couple boys I talk to on the group.
Wow.
This nigga stayed for 3-4 months now without taking a trade.
Wow, wow, wow.
All in the name of waiting for swing trading, waiting for monthly or weekly trend line to break.
Wow,
I will be
wow.
like, even that, I will be like, that point is killing a lot of traders. How can I stay if I'm a full-time trader? How can I, what kind of swing trading am I doing that I have to wait, like wait for a month, 2 months, 3 months for me to take
No,
a trade? But
no.
anyway, bro, let's not discuss about all those things. Let's go
Yeah,
straight into the
definitely.
charts.
Definitely. We are going to discuss more and more, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure. Me,
So,
I don't really DM people, or so if not, I
yeah,
would have just put in touch with you, because I see that
yeah,
we both
exactly.
kind of analyze chart the same way
Mm.
and stuff like that. And
Wow.
I'm currently looking at GBP USD.
Yeah.
I'm currently looking at GBP USD. Like,
Yes.
I'm waiting for you to come back to this my demand zone. I don't know if
The
you can
demand zone.
yeah,
Yes.
pull it up. Let me. Yeah, you see this
That's,
area?
yeah. I have to just do this.
Yeah,
That's all I will do.
yeah.
And keep on waiting for it. I'm already in the trade. Once I got it, and then my SL is about above my major level. So no matter how the
You,
market keep on
I knew when you
consolidating.
took this trade that you were telling
Wow.
one guy that first TP has been hit. He was kind of like, say, post your chart and prove it,
Y-
like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. So you're watching us.
Yeah, I always watch. I follow your chat because mostly our chats always come out the same way.
Wow,
But
bro.
this is what I'm trying to show you. You see
Mm,
this impulse move.
mm,
You see this impulse move. You see this big massive candle that pushed up. Yes,
mm,
I'm
mm,
I'm 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 currently working on, or watching that demand to see what
mm,
the market is going to do if it
mm,
gets to that place, because
mm.
that's the place that the banks kind of push the market. But
Definitely,
yes, but
definitely.
there is something on this chart that I'm watching, where this chart is currently on.
Mm,
If you look, you will see that this massive move, that this market didn't just drop back and came back to this demand zone for me to
yeah,
start looking for buying opportunity again, that you already have like kind of structure there. So
yeah,
even when
exactly.
this market comes back to this demand zone, I wouldn't actually be looking for buy. You know why?
I can hear
I can, yeah, I can buy this market when it comes back to this demand zone. And
you.
this
Yeah.
place, like this market, do something like, it pushed up back before this continuation now. It
Consolidation,
can
yeah,
prevent the market, yeah, it can prevent the market from going up. So what I'm
yeah,
going to do is, when the market gets to this demand zone, I will
yeah.
not trade it, because it's not a
Definitely,
clean
definitely. You need to
arrival.
avoid
Yeah.
yourself from trading that time. Of course, of course.
Yes, it's not a clean arrival. And
Yeah.
if you add trend line to this market, for the
Mm.
market to get to this demand zone, it already break that trend line. So
Definitely,
what I'm going to
because
expect is,
it's a zone. It's a zone. So trend line, when the market is ranging, so it's not uptrend, it's not downtrend. So you cannot draw a trend line. It's a
yes, yes.
sideways
So
movement. It's a sideways
yeah,
movement.
so
The market is ranging. So you
y-
don't need any trend line.
yes,
For you to have a trend line, you need to take the direction of uptrend or downtrend. So that's when your trend line is going to
yes,
work. Definitely.
yes.
So
So for me to trade this market
yeah,
now,
yeah,
I will have to wait for it to come back to this demand zone.
yeah, yeah.
When it
Exactly.
comes to this demand zone, I will
Yeah.
allow you to see a reaction of it pushing up back.
Yeah,
Then when
yeah,
it push up back, I know that no matter what, once you reach to the bottom of this place, that it continue to go up before this current falling, I know that
yeah,
it will prevent the market from going up. Then
yeah,
once I
yeah.
see confirmation of selling from there, that's where I'm probably going to
You can
continue selling,
sell.
because
Exactly,
I'm not
exactly.
in this AUD. I will not lie to you. I'm not bullish on this pair.
Definitely, definitely, bro. Definitely, bro. The market is still downtrend. That's what we can say. Because
Yeah,
all the time we know if the market will be uptrend, it has to break this major level. Like we have to break above the major level. You can see the
yeah,
overall trend line of the uptrend.
yeah.
the overall trend
Yeah,
line of the uptrend,
this your
because
trend,
of the
this your
market hit, because of the major level and the consolidation area. Like that's why you see the market break the counter trend line around here. But we know it's a major level, so it's possible for the market to break it, to break the trend line and then come back, continue pushing up. But since we break the trend line, we retest one of our major level and then break it. That's when I draw this black line. When I see the first breakout around here, you can see the shadow. The
yes.
shadow touch the line. If you can scale down to H1, you can find the shadow is also a body of the candlestick. So, I'm coming. Wow. I don't watch this H1. All right. So as you can see, yes, when the market tested for the first time, come back. So you retest the level. Okay, this is the first breakout, and then the market come back here. So even if you are going to trade this in H1, you hit one of your major level, and then you come back and break below. You see a sell signal, and then the market go back for retracement, retest the level, try to come back. Like it's just consolidating. You know why the market is consolidating? Because you know you are in your zone, and then you can see this first breakout will be a rejection in the previous. So that's why we see the market is consolidating in the place, and then you can see the overall trend line is around the place. So the major level with the fake out and the trend line is the strongest place that the market must consolidate because it's a deciding zone. Buyers are trying to push
Yeah.
upside, and then sellers are trying to push it downside. So as an institutional bank manager, they don't really trade this place at all. So that's what Dapo tell us all. We have to wait for all this to finish breaking. And as you can see in H1, finally the market, after the retest and break, then retest the consolidating, the market finally break the counter trend line, which is trying to show us the, you can see
Chat,
when this
one thing I'm
candlestick.
seeing on this chat is,
Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, just give me a minute. I'm trying to carry something inside.
All right, no problem, no problem.
Okay, I can hear you now.
All right. So as you can see, when this candlestick come to the major level and close on H1, you can still not sell, because if you sell, you don't know if the trend line is going to push it back again. So that's why I wait and create another candlestick in H1 and then break it. So I am pretty sure selling now. And as you can see, if you will have sell around here, you will never, you are not in your SL up to now. Even you are not in profit, but the market did not hit your SL because your SL is above your major level, right? So
Yeah.
you are still in the trade, and the trade is still valid, sell. So in H4, in H4 also, the market tested, break and retest, clear direction of the sell, and then come back, break the first breakout, which is the fake out. This is our second thing. If we break first,
Yes.
if you come back for retracement, if you are coming back, you have to break this first breakout. Like if you can see any consolidation that happen, you have to break it, because if we did not break it, those rejection fit push the market to the upside, because you don't know why the market is rejecting around the place. It's very, very possible for the market to change movement. So that's why you have to
Yeah.
wait for it to break it also. Then once you break it, then what's the next thing? Trend line. You need to break trend line. And then once you break trend line, so you're good to go. And as you can see, when the market tested the major level, break below, come back for retracement, break the first breakout, and then break the trend line with one candlestick, this candlestick that you can see. So it gives us a confirmation of sell on H4, and I take a sell around here, started coming down. The market is coming back. There is something in this thing. Like, some people, when they place a trade, the trade start coming profit and then go back, they see they're in loss. Like, some people used to close this trade. And you know what? Like, when you place a trade, it's a sacrifice. You made a sacrifice. You already have your risk management. That's the risk to reward, right? So you sacrifice
Yeah.
this thing that you risk, and then you have what you target. So you don't need to mind again. I used to forget I am a trader sometimes, to be honest. Like, when I'm with friends or with family, I don't even check my phone because of what? Everything I'm doing, I have it. I have my target, I have my risks. I have, if I'm trying to like place a trade, or maybe I'm expecting the market I'm expecting
Yeah.
to enter the market. So that's when I will look, like, maybe if the market is around here, I can see a retest and break, and then expecting to do something. So that's the time I used to look for my chart. But once I get my confirmation, I don't used to be looking or just be saying, even the saying, greatness will take you to do something. Or so that's why when the market break below here, I started selling, and then the market started coming down, come back, come down. So that but really sell loss. The market is not going up or just coming down. These higher highs and higher lows, it used to create it. So that's why when I see the market is consolidating, if the market did not break above my major level, I don't mind. And if the market break above my major level, I know that I am no more selling, because if you can sell, you cannot sell above your major level. You can sell below your major level, right?
I know you
So
are currently holding a sell on this market, right?
definitely up to now, because the market did not hit my SL. You can see my SL. Like, I take this thing very, very simple. Like, this thing that I just tell you, that's all I use. The retest and break, then I break my trend line. That's all. I don't look anything. And then this is what's really working for me, to be honest, bro. I will show you a lot of chart in this computer, and then you can see massive
No,
profit
you know,
that I was shocked. I say, wow, I am the one that doing this. I'm the one that doing this. Like, the thing is really shocking me, but I know it's a process. So that's why I keep doing it, and I keep. Have you tried to check my YouTube channel? Have you tried to check my YouTube channel?
no, actually,
Mm.
I have never checked your
Oh,
YouTube channel
oh,
because
oh.
I
So,
don't expose
definitely.
myself to a lot of information. Like I said,
Wow,
I've been on this market over
wow,
4 years.
wow.
I've seen
But
a lot of different
the winning
markets
that I'm
here.
seeing, like, make me to keep doing it. So when I got it, like, when I got the sell, so I sell it, and then the market is still consolidating. But I'm pretty sure, like, if the market will retrace all the retracement, that's the advantage of using the proper risk management, because this is a consolidation area, right? This is a consolidation
Yeah,
area. And then you
yeah,
calculate how many pips in this consolidation area, and then you see your account size, you see how much you have in your mind, how much you are going to risk, so you can know what lot size you are going to use. Even it's 0.01, I don't mind. If it's going to be clear with my own fund, it's not going to take me to draw down or blow my account, I am okay with it, because I don't mind if the market come back. If the market come
yeah,
back, you are in loss, but because of the risk management, because of the lot size, so you will be okay with the loss that you are in it. You understand
yeah.
me? So,
You
and
are
then
right.
I understand that the process take time for you to build growth, for you to build your capital, for you to build whatever. It take time. So that's why I said, all right, then I used to be using the small, small, and then I know one day I will get the big. So that's why I don't mind. And then once I place
You
a
know,
trade,
the
so
major issue that I see that most profitable traders are facing, which is the same issue I'm currently facing, is
mm,
just capital. It's just
wow,
capital.
definitely,
Because
bro.
because
Definitely.
for because Profem is not capital.
It's not at all. It's a bunch of rubbish, bro. I don't ever buy profit with my money again since my forex funds run away with my own. I have done with phase one and phase two. The day that I have done with my phase two, I'm waiting for my live account. These people run away. I say
Yeah,
crazy.
it's
100,000,
it's like you
account.
you even said that on the group yesterday.
Yeah, yeah, you saw that. Wow, you're active. You're active. I trust that. I
Like
trust that.
I'm always active on that group,
Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah,
even though
of
I
course.
don't.
Of course.
I'm
And
always active.
then like for you to attract those investors that can invest in you, you have to at least build some growth, or maybe by
Yeah.
showing them your works. How? LinkedIn. A lot of people are using LinkedIn to build their profile and then be putting out their work. That's all. You have your CV. You have an account that you will be trading, and then the result in that account will be going to your LinkedIn when the way investor will be seeing it, and then you can try and be promoting your work the
It,
way it will
it's
go
like
far.
it's
So
like
this
it's
thing,
like
like,
I'm going to start doing the same thing you are doing. Like I will just try to raise $1,000 and just
yeah,
try trading a personal
yes,
account
yes, exactly,
because
bro. It's okay.
this
If you
profile
if,
is
if you
really
can raise
killing
a $1,000, you get your pips oh my God, how can I call it? This thing that you
your
can,
lot size.
yeah, not loss size. This thing that you can put your investor password and your trading account to be
Oh,
seeing
oh
your
yes, I use my FX book.
my FX book, yes. So you go to my FX books, and then e-financial. I think I will if you add me up in WhatsApp, I'm going to send you some site that you can try and build profile to attract investors. So
Oh,
e-financial, I use this one, and then LinkedIn, I use that's two. So or you have your you need to have your CV, financial analyst, asset manager. It's very important, Don't even put forex, because top-down analysis is not only forex. You can trade whatever instrument in the market. So you are asset
yes.
manager. You said it as asset manager, and then you have your CV, and then your CV, after your CV, then my FX book, you connect it, and then any history, any trade that you place will be coming out, and then it's going to be, wow, we don't have much time.
Have you been able to source any investors yet?
Definitely, I'm working with a lot. I'm working with a lot. Like, I built my profile for a very long time, so I'm working with a lot of investors from different
Wow.
places.
Wow,
Definitely. Some people,
actually
some people will like to deposit their own money into their broker, and then they will give me access to it to trade. And then some people prefer to just give me the money, like give me the funds directly. I will trade for them.
yes,
So I'm
yes,
seeing a lot of investors. So no matter how you come, I have my process, I have my risk to reward. If I lose this money inside your capital, I have to take it back to you, right? And
yeah,
then if
yeah.
I make profit, this is how we are going to share. Like, I have my everything. And then it's very, very simple. This thing that you did, if you did this, and then you have your profile, you upload your CV, and then you start working on your charts. You will be posting the chart, and then the profit also, will be coming out. So once you're building this, bro, just try to be promoting your profile, at least just $5,
Yeah,
$10, little investment. Try
yeah.
to be promoting
That's
it.
that's that's
So
part
that's
of
the
things.
best way,
That's
bro. You can wake up and meet a message of someone with his $10,000 waiting for you. You can wake
nice.
up
Yeah,
and meet someone with twenty thousand
that's the reason
dollars.
why
Yeah.
that's what I'm actually working on now because
Wow.
I just moved to Lagos
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
because
That's amazing. I live in Abuja. That's amazing.
yeah,
That's amazing, bro. That's amazing.
yeah.
And then I'm going to put
So
you through. I'm going to put you through all I know, the way how you can build your own. And then if we believe, if we do it and keep doing it, it's very, very possible for us to get there.
sure. We are going to keep in chat and in touch and keep working together.
That's
You
amazing,
know.
bro. That's amazing. I think we have to stop it here because I see Zoom is warning me.
Okay,
Uh,
that's no problem. I will. You know what? I'm going to DM you on Telegram. Let's start from there.
all right, bro. All right. That's amazing. That's amazing.
Okay,
So,
take.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
That's
bro.
amazing.
Take care for now. Let's chat on Telegram.
All right. All right, bro.
Once we start talking